This beautiful structure was built by King Louis X, also known as St. Louis, to house his collection of religious relics, including the crown of thorns. King Louis believed it to be the crown Jesus wore during his crucifixion. With this acquisition of the relics, the Sainte Chapelle became one of the most important shrines of the Christian world. Construction of the Sainte Chapelle began sometime after 1238 and was completed in just 7 years, making it one of the fastest built structures of its time. The chapel, designed in the Renaissance style, is characterized by its use of stained glass windows and pointed arches. It features 2 levels, the lower level serving as the chapel for the royal family and the upper level serving as the chapel for the clergy. Sainte Chapelle is known for its beautiful stained glass windows covering about 80% of the wall surface. The windows depict scenes from the Old and New Testaments, among the finest examples of 13th century stained glass worldwide. Over the centuries, La Sainte Chapelle has undergone some renovations and restorations. It was severely damaged during the French Revolution and later restored in the 19th century. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has 15 windows, each 15 meters high, with stunning stained glass panes depicting 1113 scenes from the Old and New Testaments until the arrival of relics. You can book your Sainte Chapelle ticket online to come and experience the beauty of this magnificent structure and its rich history. We hope you liked the video and got all the information you wanted about the history of this chapel. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about such places.